Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into a super fast Criss creation in CLO3D. That's right. We are making the magic happen at lightning speed. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, I've got some tricks up my sleeve that will change the way you approach garment creation. So, let's jump right in. So first of all, I already cut out the portion from the garment where I want to do it. Add new fabric to the cutout. Now, go to the property editor, open the texture, and add the PNG file. I've already downloaded it from Google. With the help of Edit Texture, adjust as per requirement. Once everything looks good, hit the Simulate button to see the design in action. You can make final tweaks if necessary. And there you have it. A simple but stylish crisscross design in CLO3D. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.